First open Start and type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click it and select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Press Start the service. If your service is already enabled, press Restart the service. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Notepad. Open your Notepad. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Paste the text into your Notepad. Click on File. In Save as type select All Files. In file name type fix.bat. Press Save. Right-click your fix.bat file. Select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type Y and then press Enter. Now restart. Now run Windows Update. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed.